Now I'm sitting here vacant. It's been a long time waiting. Almost forgot about patience. Staring at the sky, waiting for the vibrations. You can see the storm before you hear the earth shaking. Knew this was coming, I embraced it. I could've ran from the clouds, but I chased them. I could've lied to the crowd, but I faced them. Let God cry, you know the negative erases. Waiting on the rain, just to wash away the pain. And things will never be the same. I'm just waiting on the rain, so it can wash away the angst. And I'm so ready for this change. I'm just waiting on the rain, so it can wash away the hate and take me to another place. Now I can feel the rain, the light drizzle on my face, and boy does it feel great.
Saya sangat bangga sekali karena Diton Premium satu-satunya cat semprot di Indonesia yang mensupport ajang balap internasional.
Terima kasih atas kehadiran dan partisipasi Diton Otomotif Spray Paint pada ajang World Superbike 2022 di Pertamina Mandalika International Circuit.